To get the most out of your BMO Air Miles card, it is essential to understand how the rewards program works and how to maximize your earnings. First, familiarize yourself with the card's features, including the earn rate, redemption options, and any associated fees. The BMO Air Miles card allows you to earn Air Miles reward miles on every purchase, which can be redeemed for travel, merchandise, and other rewards. To earn miles quickly, use your card for daily purchases, such as groceries, gas, and dining. You can also earn bonus miles by shopping at participating Air Miles partners. Another key concept is the difference between cash miles and dream miles. Cash miles can be redeemed for cash-like rewards, such as statement credits or gift cards, while dream miles are used for travel and other experiential rewards. Understanding the distinction between these two types of miles will help you make the most of your rewards. To maximize your earnings, consider the following best practices. First, always pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Second, take advantage of limited time promotions and bonus offers to boost your miles earnings. Third, use the BMO Air Miles card for all your daily purchases to accumulate miles quickly. Additionally, make sure to regularly review your account and redemption options to ensure you are getting the most value from your rewards. You can also use the BMO Rewards Calculator to determine the best redemption options for your miles. By following these tips and strategies, you can get the most out of your BMO Air Miles card and enjoy the rewards you deserve.